Man, $5 or 5 gallons goes so fast at the pump when you're filling up, watching the gas price meter go up and up and up. But pouring 5 gallons from a tank in really kind of sucks, especially with such a small funnel. Maybe this is on me. Yeah, 3 gallons should do. All right, gas in. Now, let's try and see if you guys can catch some of the fuel filter. Let's see what we got here. I didn't pump anything. So the fuel filter still looks pretty dry. Let's see if that changes. A couple cranks here. Okay, rather than waiting, we'll just give this some old direct gasoline down the float, or down the breather vent. Now, down the hatch. Ooh, lots of gas now. This isn't good. Interesting. Might have to check some stuff out here. Hold on. All right, got the phone light on. See if we're getting fuel. Still nothing yet. Nothing through the filter. Interesting. Well, I'm an absolute idiot. It doesn't do any good when you're cranking it over and trying to get fuel into the carb if your wiring's not hooked up. I got 3 terminals here. This one is the coil wire. So let's hook this back up and set you guys down. Here's the wiring harness that connects to the main harness. Where is the other half is the real question. Here's your oil pressure and all the other crap that I'm not using anymore because I have my own. But guess what? These leads control spark. And we don't have that. So I'm going to loop that up there. Make sure everything's kind of clear here. I got a bunch of wires dangling. Jam the fan back in. Like so. Ooh. I also don't have a tightened bolt here on the battery, but we'll see. We'll deal with that in a second as well. You guys can't see this right now. All I'm doing is putting the fan wire onto the battery post. Snugging down the terminal so it's at least there. Loop this around the front wiring harness so it doesn't fall into anything. Good enough, good enough. All right, let's see if it starts now. Apparently fuel is important. So is spark. Who would have thunk it? Alright, so definitely a fuel issue. The filter's not full yet. So what we're going to do is take that off real quick. Then crank the motor over on the fuel pump. Until I make a big old mess in the driveway. A whole lot of pressure up in the top side of the carb. So what we're going to do is turn the key on. Make this super sketchy. Key is on. Grab our screwdriver and hope that fuel squirts up here and makes a big old giant mess. And the car doesn't start. All right, let's crank it over once or twice. Don't want it to start. Let's see how big of a puddle we got. Perfect. There's gas everywhere. So when you're working on cars and testing fuel, make sure you spray gas on everything before you try and fire it up and start it. Because now we got that little bit popping. I think there was just back pressure in the line because this is completely full now. So we should be good. And if it lights on fire and burns to the ground, that's what insurance is for, that I don't have yet. Much better. Come on. I'm getting carb or gas through. I'm not getting, unless the floats got stuck, I'm not getting gas through to the carb. So let's crank this over a couple times. You guys are going to watch a bunch of gas spray all over the right side of the motor this time. Now the line's primed. All the things you don't want to do that on a car that was running and driving. Well, running, not driving again. But now it's ready to drive, and it was running. I know I'm going to have to tweak the carb a little bit and change some of the adjustments here, but well, this sucks. Okay, so off camera, all I just did was squirted a bunch of gas down the throat on the accelerator pump. I wasn't getting fuel through. You know, it's getting dark. Let me turn it around. So I'm just burning up fuel, and it's not holding gas. So something I messed up on the carb. Turn a little bit of choke on. Got the choke disconnected too. Go one more fire on this. That's about all we got for tonight because it's getting late. Choke is disconnected. It's like I'm running out of fuel, so something's not working. Must have got a float stuck, closed, or something. If I pump it up and prime it, just wants to die. So I messed something up on that carb rebuild. I'll look back at the video and figure out what I did, but that's where we're at tonight. I couldn't leave it alone. Pop the lid off since I already had the choke disconnected. These bowls are completely dry, which means something is not letting fuel through past the needle. I was getting fuel coming out of the line, so that's good. Something I messed up in here, and we got to figure out what happened.